And then remind me the statute again on priors.
90609.
Thank you. And a copy of the record was provided to the defendant.
It was. It has not been discussed with Mr. Lizcano.
That was going to be kind of my next topic once, thank you, I look at this again. All right, Mr. Brooks, do you have a position on the prior convictions for this witness for a determination under 90609?
What? I don't know what you're asking.
Mr. Brooks, you may recall at some point I believe we had a discussion about prior convictions. I think maybe we only discussed that if you were to testify, we would have to have that conversation. So in fairness, I don't
No,
think
there was one state's witness that had one prior that we discussed. And
that's
the court
right.
ruled.
We did. I recall now. So at that point, I directed your attention to 90609, and then I made a ruling based upon the factors that are enumerated in that statute. You've been provided with a listing of the record. I would direct your attention to, I'm not sure if I see that book out there, but the statute book that I previously provided to you, but that the 90609 would be in there. But in any event, the state is asking that I make a determination about how many for purposes of the questioning of this witness. Do you have any comment, statement, or position on that?
Looks like it's 9 on here.
Which is the one the state referenced that the charges are listed, but they were dismissed?
2000, well, it's recorded as 06 CM 2039, 2 times violate harassment/restraining order, and then it says DM/RI, which means dismissed and read in, 2X MBJ, which would be 2 times misdemeanor bail jumping, dismissed and read in. So no convictions from that file.
So why is it on the sheet?
This would be an accurate listing of the cases that you found when investigating the witness's background.
Yes, Your Honor.
And nothing since 2007.
That's correct.
All right. Any statement you want to make, sir, on what the number of convictions this court should consider under 90609?
What is dismissed and read in? Does that mean there is no charge?
No, it means it was when there was a conviction for something else, the charge was dismissed and read in, and then the court considered it at the time of sentencing. So they are not convictions, but it was a case. So that's why, my understanding why it was listed.
So the two. So where it says dismissed and read in, that would be the restraining order and the MBJ.
Right, misdemeanor bail jumping. So 2 counts of violate harassment restraining order were dismissed and read in, along with 2 counts of misdemeanor bail jumping dismissed and read in. I'm guessing, but the state can confirm that it either was read into 06 CM 1859 or 06 CM 3149.
Yes, I believe it was the 1859 case, Your Honor.
So at the time of the conviction for resisting obstructing, there was a misdemeanor bail jumping dismissed and read in, and then the other charges, all of which are listed under 06 CM 2039, dismissed and read in.
So then 8. Should be 8.
The OWI first would not be criminal, as I understand it, and so I believe that's why it's not, the state did not ask it that it be counted. Because the statute requires conviction of a crime or an adjudication of delinquency.
So there's no crime for OWI?
An OWI first would not be a crime, it would be a forfeiture.
There is a criminal investigation going on. Nothing worth referencing. All right, thanks. Do you want us to show this?